Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage in-app sounds or in-app notifications on your account on Telegram, easy and quickly. So first of all, go to the Telegram and click on the three lines, then go to the settings and then click on this notifications and sounds, and then here we have in-app notifications. So if you want to turn this, we have many options. So if you want to turn this on or off, in-app sounds, in-app vibrate, in-app preview, in-chat sounds, and etc. In-app pop on screen. So that's it, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.